No, that's not right, Tommy. No, that's not right either. No. No.
No. No!
All right, Mr. Slum. Why is this so scary? All right, Mr. Slum. Sorry, what are you doing?
Oh, we're all going to bed now. Good night.
Why are you still alive? Yeah, you're a goddamn